Okay guys, we're here in Laureles this is the first park or the second park of Laureles. I don't know which one it is. So what's up? I'm feeling fired up here in Colombia, South America. And there we have a restaurant. Right now it's just early, it's 11:20 in the morning, and this is the gas station here. So if you come to Colombia, to Medellin, do come to this area in Medellin. At night time, it's a good nightlife. They got a lot of stuff here. You got free Wi-Fi zones here in the park. All you got to do is follow the steps there in English and in Spanish. Another reason why. And they got these containers that they make into publicity and whatever, and they got restaurants. They got a laundry and coffee shop there because a lot of travelers, foreigners, stay in these areas. In this area here, it's very nice. Look for it on Airbnb for Laureles, Primer Parque Laureles, Segundo Parque de Laureles. So you see right over there across the street, laundry and coffee. It's called Lavato, and you can see all that, and you can do your laundry. Let me just check it out. Let's go look at it. We're here, why not? Let's take a good look at what's going on here, and let's keep this mask on so people don't get cranky wanky. Now, a lot of foreigners come around here, just got to be careful crossing the street. So right there, and you got a hotel. It's got Laureles Park Hotel, and you got the KFC and all that good stuff. And this is the laundry place here called Lavato and Coffee and whatever. So they do all of that in there, and they got combos here for 15,000 pesos, a burger, fries, and a soda pop and other combos. They got all these restaurants here. All these is in Colombian pesos. And that's the park over there. You can hang out in the park. It's a good park, nice to chill and relax. They got some construction work coming up ahead over here. This is a walking tour. Now they're starting to put up the Christmas lights. It's October 16th today, and we got some of the business here. Other businesses at this hour, they're closed, but later on they got the liquor shops and everything. And yeah, a lot of liquor shops here, like 3 or 4 of them. So we're continuing our walk, and this place right here is very nice. It's called Mercado del Parque. Natural juice for 3,000 pesos. Fruit salads. They got different businesses inside with these tables out here. You gotta excuse the noise right now. They're doing construction work here, road work, improvements. So we got this crossing here, and oh, now I can cross. So we're coming up this between this park right there and the other park up ahead. So we're doing this walking tour today in this area. They sell some good desserts and cakes and sponge cakes here. Don Jacobo, Mr. Jacob, Don Jacob bar and burger, but that one right now is still closed because it's almost lunchtime. And they're remodeling all of this. One of the older houses there in between the big buildings, because they knocked out some of the houses here and built up. So there are a lot of apartment buildings here, look, for rent and all of that. Nice little apartments in this area. Domino's Pizza, sushi bar. They got a lot of restaurants in this area that you can check out. This is the Laureles area, and some are for rent. Mitsuda Fusion Kitchen, Fusion Kitchen, sushi bar, whatever. They got other restaurants in that area. Some of these restaurants went out of business because of the pandemic, because of what's going on. Yeah, this one went out of business for sure. So we got roll-up sushi burrito on that side. Got an outlet shop. This whole area is filled with restaurants. And if you're a vegetarian, they got Lenteja Express across the street over there. Very nice. Look, they got Bagel Company. You want some bagels? They got bagels and croissants here. Pizza Company right there on the second floor. It's called Al Alma Coffee Roasters. Check that out. It's right here, Lima Walk, and it's on the second floor. So very good stuff. Lentejas Express is right over there across the street, so you can see that. And I mean, this is all under construction right now. They're doing improvements like this already, these gardens here, and they're still working on it. This is all being developed right now, being developed. And if maybe you can find a Airbnb in one of these places, some are for sale, some of these little apartments, in between all of this business stuff. Singular, a restaurant. Now we have all these other different food shops here combined in that business. So, and they got Papa John's right over there across the street, soft touch ice cream, grills and all that stuff, wings and beer. I'm a vegetarian, but I'm just showing you all of this stuff right here in Laureles. And then right there the sign says Segundo Parque Laureles is up ahead, and all of that. Then you got Basilica, but they went out of business even in El Poblado area. This is all Medellín. In Basilica they had one over there at Poblado at the Jarrah's Park area, but I think that one went out of business too. The pandemic, COVID-19, is doing a number on everybody and all of that. And they used to have gym stuff here too, a gym shop, but I think they went, oh, they're not open right now this hour. And all this, what the hell, I'm not even looking where I'm walking. So we got all these restaurants. We're gonna go swing around so I can show you other restaurants in this area. Very nice place to live too, because they got a lot of apartment complexes. This is the buildings, a block in that way, block in this way on the avenue here. This is Nutibara Avenue, Nutibara Avenue. And I'm going to show you a hostel they have up the street. So hold on for a minute. I'll show you what's up, what's going on. And they have the Taco House restaurant here. And all these residential areas inside, you'll find good places to rent. So you got the Taco House table there and all that good stuff.